Morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing. So this came a few days ago and I haven't really looked at it because I was so busy, but today we're gonna open it together. So I know what this is. Actually, these are my, I think, planner. I got this from Shopee and I will put the link somewhere here in the video, so if you're interested you can check it out. I don't buy expensive notebook for my planner because it's not in my price range. So if it's expensive, I don't buy it, but I make sure that I look for some alternative that I can use, and I'm happy because there's a lot of very nice notebooks you can find online. So this is the first one that I got, and this is, I cannot remember where I got this from, but like I said, I will just put the link in the description box or somewhere in the video later. So this is going to be my Hobonichi because if the original Hobonichi is not in your price range yet and you just want to experiment and see how it works for you and you don't want to invest on expensive notebook, you can try this one. It has a hardcover and it looks like the Hobonichi something. I actually cannot compare because I haven't used Hobonichi before. Okay, let's take a closer look. So this has a hardcover, and actually you don't have to put a cover over it because it's already hardcover, and I think it's sturdy enough. But I usually use a cover for this one, and while I'm still waiting for that, let me just get my old notebook planner, and this is the one I use for 2022, and let's see if it fits. I actually ordered one, but it's not here yet, so let's just use this for now. And this one also is not a Hobonichi, but it works the same. It has hardcover and I like using it, so I ordered another one for 2023. Let's see if it fits here. I think it fits. Again, this is not the original Hobonichi cover because again it's beyond my price range, but for now I'm happy with all this. Oh, I hope it fits here. It fit. Whoops. Okay, so this one fits. This is I think this is not dated, so you can use it anytime, any year. Okay, so it has a list in the beginning, so I think this serves as an index, and then it has a year at a glance, I think. Okay, so this is January to December, and then we have the date, so the monthly, so it's not dated, so you can kind of adjust the days and the dates. And then so that's your monthly, and then here is your weekly. So I think it's the same with this one. It has a weekly and a monthly as well. So I use this for work, and I love using this, and it's so sturdy, like I said. This is my first, this is one of the planners in my 2023 lineup. And then this one I got from, oh, I cannot remember anymore, but this is a notebook for my bullet journal. So So this is this is so pretty. This is a notebook from Paper Ideas, and I've been using this notebook for a while now. Maybe. So I love the color. It has 188 pages, and it has table of contents. It also has an expandable pocket, so if you want to bring some stickers and washes and whatnots, you can put it inside there. It has an elastic closure. It is thread bound, which is very important when you're using a bullet journal or a planner. It has to be thread bound so that you can spread your notebook like that, and it's easy for you to write in there. So that is important. And I'm gonna use this for my personal creative journal, my bullet journal, which is this one, which is also very pretty. It's yellow and it's grid. So I'm using this for my planner or bullet journal, but I'll be using this as a creative and personal notebook. It has elastic thread bound, and it is 100 grams acid-free paper, and it's high ink compatibility. It doesn't smear, but I haven't used any pens besides the ones that I've already been using, like Sarasa vintage pens, mild liners, Muji pens, M&G pens. Those are the pens that I'm currently using, and so far it doesn't smudge, so I can say that it's ink compatible with the pens that I'm currently using. And then it has a dimension of 143 by 210, and this is an A5, by the way. And also they say that this one is excellent for fountain pens, but I don't use a fountain pen, so I cannot say about that, anything about that. So let's see what's inside here. Usually they have the address and the name, and they have contents or index page, and then that's it. And I don't know, sometimes they have bigger squares. I'm not so sure what is the measurement between the dots, but I'm using this for, again, creative journaling anyway, so the spaces doesn't really matter. And it has a very nice colored marker. This one is so pretty. So these are all the notebooks that I'll be using for my 2023 lineup. I still have one planner coming, and yeah, I believe I have one coming maybe next week or two, and I will also show them to you, and that's gonna be my dailies. So yeah, I hope you got some ideas, and I hope you are excited as much as I am for 2023, and please stay tuned for my planner setup video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next one. Lots of love, and bye-bye.